week at AHR, Rheem's primary message is of unity. We have brought all of our family of brands together into one booth, and we're really excited to have Rheem, Eemax, HGBG, and RayPak together. And furthermore, all of those brands are showing new commercial products. So it's a really exciting renaissance for Rheem as we have new products that are coming out for commercial customers across all of our family of brands. We are really excited about a good number of products, but this morning we actually launched our new Triton commercial water heater. It's our brand new high efficiency water heater. It'll be available for order in March, and we unveiled it for the first time ever this morning at the show. It is designed for easy retrofits. It has a lot of smart features and very, very high quality materials built into it. At Rheem, as we develop smart products, one of the things that we're really trying to do is make sure that these smart products are very approachable for our contractor and plumber customers. That's why at our Innovation Learning Centers, we do training with virtual reality and we use tablets. We actually are updating our contractor app with more features so that contractors can understand the products from their side and learn about it in an app format. And then we hope that makes them more comfortable when they're selling and installing smart products to consumers who want to be able to use more technology.